Hello, welcome to Hanson Legacy Farm, and today we're in the kitchen baking some bread. So let's get the ingredients up on the screen so you can take a screenshot or get a paper and pencil and jot down the ingredients. So in the bowl, what Eden is doing is she is whisking together our 3 cups of flour and our 1 teaspoon of salt. In the measuring cup, what I did is I took our liquid, our 1 1/4 cups of liquid, our 2 1/4 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and mix it all up, and it is about ready to go. I think we almost let it go too far. So Eden, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let you pour, we're gonna make a little well in our bowl.
Oh wow.
And yeah, like a little hole. And I want you to pour in the yeast, the flour, the milk, and the honey.
Ew.
I wish I could smell this. It smells wonderful. Wait a minute, let's get all of this goodness out of here. We want all of that we can get.
Can I mix it?
So yes, I'm gonna let you mix it, but we're gonna switch mixers. We are going to use our spoon. Okay, so our dough has risen for 1 hour and it's already doubled in size. So what we're gonna do, Eden, is we are gonna take our dough out of the bowl and put it on our cutting board again.
Yeah, cutting board?
Yeah. So we covered the bread and let it rise for about an hour. Now we're gonna put the bread in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Hey Eden, are you ready to see if the bread is ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's take it out of the oven and see how it looks. Well, y'all, the bread finally made it out of the oven. This dough takes a licking and keeps on ticking. It is 4-year-old tested and approved. Girl is ready to take a bite of this bread, so we're gonna cut us a big old piece of bread. It's nice and crunchy.